Hello, my name is Ryan.
Hello, my name is Scarlett.
Hello, my name is Jason.
Hello, my name is Braylee.
Today is Friday, March 6, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, time changes again for daylight savings time. On Sunday, March 8th, don't forget to spring your clocks forward an hour. Dress up day for Read Across America. We are this week. The first dress up day is Monday, March 9th. Wear your crazy socks. STEM night RSVP slips are due Tuesday, March 10th. If you would like to order a whole pizza, please remember that money is due your RSP slip.
Pre-K learned about dinosaurs. They made dinosaur fossils and used tools to dig for bones.
To wrap up their unit on dinosaurs, the kindergartners became paleontologists. Each student had to use their tools to carefully excavate a dinosaur. They had so much fun, and inside the eggs, they even found many of the dinosaurs that they had studied. That was
First grade looked at how animals communicate with one another and their offspring. They have explored forms of communications with sight, sound, and smell.
Second grade continue work in their interactive notebook this week and focus on telling time to 5-minute marks. Second graders will be able to read digital as well, also analog clock. Now and will always be on time.
The third graders are finishing up the environmental changes PLTW unit. The students have 4 invasive species to choose: the Zoodoos, head snake, fish, Bernese phantom, or zebra mussel. They are making posters to show what they know about these invasive species.
Special report, Mrs. Lex's class calf, Betty, is now 5 months old. She weighs 493 pounds and is 45 inches tall.
In PE, we are in our last week of teamwork, team building, and sportsmanship unit. We ended the unit with a game of Battleship inspired by the board game Battleship. Don't forget about our PE fundraisers. Students who have already entered those 10 phone numbers or emails have received their golden ticket prizes. Way to go and game on.
In STEM, students are using their STEM skills to drive a robot on the field. They are conducting and investigating different ways to make the robot go around the field without touching other robots, so they can answer a question or solve a problem.
After school activities, congratulations to the Brooklyn STEM Academy robotics team. Over the weekend, they won the area robotics competition. Brooklyn STEM Academy will have 2 of their teams participate in the state finals on March 14th at Lucas Oil Stadium. Good luck to those teams. Although the second grade team is not advancing to state competition, they did a final job this season. We can't wait to see what next year brings for them. In Crazy 8's math, students worked with factors and odd and even numbers to direct planes to land in 2 different runways without colliding.
Here are our nominees for the Paul's Invity Wagon Dog Bulletin from February. Pre-K, Kason P. Kindergarten, Riley M. First grade, Maya H. Second grade, Ella M. Third grade, David W. And fourth grade,
Amelia S.
Joke of the week. What did Dirt say to the rain?
I don't know. What did Dirt say to the rain?
You better cut it out, or my name's gonna be Mud.
Thank you for watching What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy, and see you next week. Bye!